Hello everyone! Sa video natin na to ay magbibigay ako ng examples how to compute the discriminant and tell whether the nature of the roots are real and equal. Ito yun. So kapag ang roots natin ay equal siya 0, then our roots are real and equal. Kapag greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. At kapag less than 0, roots are not real or imaginary numbers. So, sa number 1 natin, meron tayong values ng A, B, and C. Okay, ito yun. So, x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. Our A here is, tama, positive 1. And our B is, yes, we have negative 6 and our C is negative 27. Ito yung isusulat natin dito. And then, how did we get 144 as our discriminant? Our discriminant is, ito yung formula natin, b squared minus 4ac. So, papalitan lang natin tong A, B, and C nito mga values na yan. So, B is negative 6 squared minus 4. And our A is 1. And our C is negative 27. Then, we will simplify further. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. Positive 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 27 is positive 108. And 108 plus 36 is 144. Kaya amang discriminant natin ay 144. So, ang 144 is greater than 0. Mas malaki siya sa 0. Sabi dito, if the roots are greater than 0, then if the discriminant is greater than 0, then our roots are real and unequal. So, let's check kung talagang real nga ba at hindi equal ang ating roots. So, i-check natin siya by using factoring. X squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. I-factor out natin. And the factor of that is x minus 9 and x plus 3. Kasi kung ita-times mo yan, ang result niyan ay ito. Okay? Pag times mo yan sila using FOIL method. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay equate natin sila both side to 0 equals 0. X plus 3 equals 0. So, ililipat natin yung 9 sa kabila. That is x equals positive 9. Ilipat naman natin yung 3 sa kabilang side. X equals negative 3. So, kung mapapansin natin, real sila, di ba? Walang I, walang imaginary. Real sila at the same time magkaiba. So, therefore, number 1 equation, x squared minus 6x plus 27, the nature of the roots is or are real and unequal. Okay, let's try number 2. First, we're going to find the values of A, B, and C. Our A here is, yes, we have 1 kasi walang numerical or invisible lang dito ang numerical value ng ating x squared, which is invisible 1 natin. B, yes, wala tayong binomial term. So, 0. And our C is, we have negative 25. So, we have 1, we have 0, and we have negative 25. We will compute our discriminant. Our discriminant is, okay, same discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Substitute b. What is our b? 0. So, that is 0 squared minus 4 times our a is positive 1 and our c is negative 25. So, 0 wala na yan. Negative 4 times 1 is positive, negative 4, and negative 4 times negative 25 is positive 100. And positive 100 is greater than 0. So, greater than 0 pa din siya. So, this is 100. So, kapag greater than 0 still, okay, we have real pa rin siya and unequal. Okay. Let's check naman kung talagang real and unequal siya. Let's do the checking. So, we have x squared minus 25 equals 0. So, dito natin ngayon gagamitin yung mga natutunan natin using completing the square, extracting square root, factoring, and using the quadratic formula. So, ang gagawin natin dito is we will use the extracting square root. Lilipat natin yung 25. It will become positive 25. We'll extract both side by square root. So, ang matitira na lang dito ay x. And the square root of 25 is, yes, positive and negative 5. So, kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba pa din ito ha. Positive 5 is different from negative 5. So, pwede din naman ganyan and ganyan. Okay, pwede siyang ganyan. So, ang value. So, magkaiba siya. So, kung makipapansin natin, real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Kasi, our discriminant is greater than 0. So, okay na yan ha. Next, number 3. We have x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. Our a here is, yes, still 1. And our b is, yes, positive 10. And our c is positive 25. So, yun ang ilagay natin dito. 1, 10, and positive 25. Let's compute the discriminant. And our discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So, our b is 1. 1 squared minus 4. What is our a? Ang ating b ay 10. Ang ating a ay 1. At ang ating c ay 25. So, 10 squared, that is 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 4 times 1 is 4. Then times 25 is negative 100. So, 100 minus 100 is 0. So, equal siya sa 0. So, ano nga description natin kapag equal siya sa 0? Roots are real and equal. So, ibig sabihin, this is real and equal. Okay, real and equal. So, let's try to check using factoring. Okay? May equation kasi na pwedeng gamitin ang factoring pero hindi pwedeng gamitin ang extracting square root. Meron namang hindi siya pwedeng factoring, hindi siya pwedeng extracting square root, pwede siya sa quadratic formula. So, this time, itong x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0, pwede siyang i-factor out. And the factor of that is x plus 5 and x plus 5. Kasi pag tinimes natin to, maging positive 25. Kapag pinag-plus naman, that is positive 10x. Then, we equate both side by 0. Equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0. Equate this to 0. Ilipat sa kabila. So, x is negative 5. Sa kabila naman is x is negative 5. So, kung mapapansinin nyo, equal. Diba? Tama. So, using discriminant, nalalaman natin yung nature ng ating roots. Real and equal. Okay? So, kapag nangyari niyan is, makikita, nung chinek mo ay nagiging imaginary siya, tapos tama naman yung computation ng discriminant mo, baka may mali dun sa checking. Kasi ito yung magiging basis mo or magiging guide mo na rin at the same time na kailangan, talaga siya, real and equal. Okay, next, number 4. We have 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Let's find a, b, and c. Our a here is 2, and our b is negative 5, and our c is positive 3. So, yan yung ilagay natin dito, 2, negative 5, and 3. So, in this example, hindi siya pwedeng magamitan ng extracting square root. Hindi rin siya pwede sa factoring. Nahirapan tayo sa factoring nito, completing the square. Doon tayo sa using the quadratic formula. Okay, so before that, ay kukunin muna natin ang kanyang discriminant. So, ano nga yung discriminant natin? B squared minus 4AC. So our b is negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times positive 3. So negative 5 squared is positive 25. 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24 minus 24 equals to 1. And 1 is greater than 0. So kapag greater than 0, real and unequal. Okay, so ngayon, i-check natin siya using yun nga yung sinabi kong quadratic formula. Let's do the checking. Ano nga yung ating quadratic formula? We have x equals negative b plus minus square root of itong ating discriminant, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, our b is negative 5. So, may negative to, tapos negative dito. 5 na lang siya. Plus, minus. Ano nga ang value ng ating, ito yun b squared minus 4ac, ito yung ating discriminant. Ito din yan. So, nung kinumpute natin to, the result is 1. So, ibig sabihin, square root of 1. So, same lang to ha, kapag uulitin lang natin. So, ngayon, ito na ang gagamitin nating value. Kasi ito din yan b squared minus 4ac. Ito din yan. b squared minus 4ac. Diba? So, lalagyan lang natin ng square root. Over 2, ano yung a natin? That is 2. 5 plus minus, anong square root ng 1? That is still 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. So, ang values ng ating x dito ay meron tayong 5 plus 1 over 4 at ang isa naman ay 5 minus 1 over 4. So, we have 5 plus 1 is 6 over 4 or 3 halves. And yung isa naman is 5 minus 1 is 4 over 4 equals 1. Okay, so mapapansin niyo magkaiba siya. Pwede siyang fraction kasi. Kasi ang real numbers ay pwede namang fraction or decimal. So, still, correct ang ating answer, real and unequal. So, I hope na naging malinaw paano natin i-compute ang discriminant and how to describe the nature of the roots using the value of discriminant. Again, thank you for watching.